somebody asking me about some hard inquiries on their credit reports, and they saying since they applied for, they got all these inquiries through Experian in the last 3 months, should they just wait till should they wait till they fall off, because basically they're all within the 3 month span and it's 10 inquiries, or should they try to do something about it? Now, with Experian is the easiest company to get inquiries removed from. So I'll tell you guys to really work on removing those inquiries. I would work to remove those inquiries, but keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. If you got that, you said you got those 10 inquiries. I don't know if you got accounts with those inquiries too, but if you got an account with those inquiries, so say if you apply for the Capital One credit card, or you apply for a Navy Fed credit card, you got approved for the Capital One and the Navy, right? If you get approved for those credit cards and you have that hard inquiry, if you dispute that hard inquiry, or if you work on getting that hard inquiry removed from your credit reports, they may remove the full account too, if that account is already posted on your credit reports. So if the Capital One and the Navy Fed, you got the hard inquiry and that account showed up on your credit reports, they're going to most likely remove that account from your credit reports too. So I always tell you, if you're going to dispute an account on your credit reports, then understand that if that account is on your credit reports at that time, then they're going to probably remove that account from your credit reports, especially if it's positive. If it's negative, they're going to be like, oh, no, this is your account. But if it's a positive account, they're probably going to try to remove that account from your credit reports, which is backwards, which is awkward. But Experian is easy. I will work on removing those if I were you. And I have I showed you guys how you can remove inquiries from your credit reports in less than 12 hours. So definitely check that out. My inquiry removal is down below. So yeah, definitely check